What's going on, y'all? SCS, and I'm back. Man, we got cars I'm working on, car inside. You know, just to show y'all this other unit, man. I'm kind of thinking like, dude, I get it. Like I always say, just because you can don't mean you should, right? And really, I thought I had some real legit help, and nah, I'm not training nobody from scratch. Everybody should be asking that. Some people don't understand how much stuff costs. If I'm spending $200, $300, $400 a day, I'm not training nobody. They don't be spending more, and I still gotta pay them. And yeah, nah, I just can't afford to pay them. It just really don't make sense. You gotta come to the table with something. I'm finna show y'all this unit, man. I want y'all to tell me what y'all think, cause like I say, I got space. Ooh, it's warm in there. Y'all gonna see the video before this with the heat, but y'all see, I got space to work on 2 cars, but I bought a second sewing or a third sewing machine. It's gonna go here. Like I said in the video prior to this, I am gonna turn this on because I ain't got time to be running around trying to find propane and stuff. But y'all gonna see the video on this. Like I say, I got space to work on 2 cars. But say if somebody gonna pick the car up on time, or a car's supposed to leave and I'm waiting on some parts, or I need to get on the next car, I ain't got no space. To work, I can only work on 2 cars in here. That's it. I can fit 3 cars in here storage wise. And that's it. So I can only do 1 big project at a time, like a big project, like 3 things: fabrication, wiring, and full interior. I can only do 1 of those at a time. I'm not taking no more than 1 of those at a time ever again, because it's a lot of work. It's a lot of time. You still gotta make money in between all of that. So that's why I say I kind of think I need to get another spot, but I could rather just keep the line long, but I don't know, man. I'm finna let y'all see the video on the other shop, man. Man. It's just a thought in my mind. I don't know what I want to do, if I want to do it or not. But it is an option. And like I say, the owners, they messing with me. Now, about to go ahead and start my video on this car. Y'all stay tuned, man. SCS, I'm out. All right, y'all. This is another one I wanted to show y'all. So it's literally the same exact size, but it got an office, just like y'all can see here. And I'm thinking like, man, do I really want to do another one? Cause I really don't know, but I need more space. And space is for extra cars, any big equipment. I could put a lift. Even though I ain't got no help, I can still put a lift. 1 for storage, 1 for working on, cause I don't want to do no mechanical stuff where I'm at. But yeah. Only thing that's killing this stuff is $1 square foot price. But I kind of want to wait, but I really can't really take the risk of waiting with a 3-year lease. They do a 3-year lease. I'll be leaving before I'll be able to get the second one. So I'm just like, dang. But as far as old school, say if I had 2 4-post lifts, you could fit 4 cars on the lifts in the back. Depending on the width of the lift, 1 car in between, and then you can fit a car here, a car there, and work with the doors open and everything. So. But just no lifts, you can fit 3 and 2, so 5 cars, and you still be able to work on the 2 that ain't the 2 that's spaced out, not the ones that's side by side. Definitely have to get some skates, but just a thought, man, cause my line be long, man, and I don't want to have to take no overflow home or nothing like that. Like, do I get another one or do I not get another one? But then some people don't mind paying the prices, current prices, and some people do. But they still want me to do it. Like, I ain't trying to be like rude or nothing, but the price is just gonna be the price, because I can't really work out the whole. It just don't make sense. And if I can get my real numbers, it really don't make sense for me to take anything lower than what I could really get. So I'm just thinking, man, thinking. And then the owners, man, they are very, very cool, but they don't take no shit. And then they do really like me. Y'all seen, man, I cleaned my unit out, did my driveway, which they redid all of it, did my electrical, painted my stuff, took it early so I could have that 3 weeks rent free, even though, and now that I think about it, I got some footage off of it, but I really didn't make too much money in that 22 days, so I think I should never did that sometime, but shoot, it's a lesson learned. Lesson learned, man. So, get in my office real quick. I got the heat going. I'm gonna let y'all tell me what y'all think, man. I'm like, I don't know if I'm gonna do it. Or do I not? Do I do it or do I not?